welcome back to my channel. So today I came with a nice fall look. We are in a fall season officially, and yeah, of course it's time to bring out the fall looks. I use the Morphe 35M palette, I believe it's called. Yep, the 35M palette to create this look. Hopefully they still have this in stores or online, because this is perfect for fall. I'm gonna create so many looks using this palette, so I want you to use it with me. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a fall tutorial. We are now in the season of fall. I've been feeding for fall since September 1st. Like, I've been talking about fall. I was talking about fall the whole entire summer because I really don't like the heat that much. I mean, summer is cute for a little bit and then it gets annoying. I love the fall and the spring months so much. And I don't know if that's because I'm a spring baby. My birthday's in April. So shout out to all my Aries. Yeah, my birthday's in April, so I love spring weather and I also love fall weather. So today I felt like it's time to break out the fall looks. I should probably start a little fall season, makeup tutorial kind of thing on my channel, but I don't know, we'll see how that goes. So yeah, probably gonna fast forward a lot of these clips. I just wanted to come on here and say hey to y'all. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching my videos. And if I don't come back on, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you later.
Say my name, no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name. If no one is around you, say, baby, I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Better say my name.
Whip, body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue, go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady, you ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
Say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden?
I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, get posted. How that works? What you talking? Back that shit up. Won't you say my, say my? So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady, you ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
Any other day, I would call, you would say, baby, how's your day? But
tripod and my camera's acting really shady right now. I don't know what's wrong with it, but something's wrong with the battery. I'm sweating trying to figure out how to freaking make my phone fit on this tripod. But anyway, I put my lashes on, I put my liner on. We're just gonna do the bottom of the eyes now. I'm gonna use that same orange from this palette. This is the Morphe, I've been telling everybody it's the Artistry palette. Why am I saying that? Because it's called the Morphe Artistry palette. I didn't know all of them were called that, and I have many. But anyway, this is the Artistry palette 35M. So this fall color palette is the 35M. And I'm gonna just take that orange that I showed y'all previously and put that underneath our eye. I went in with a pencil brush, but I want more color, so I'm just gonna use this fluffy brush. Same thing to the other side. I don't know, my head's been hurting for like 2 days. And I have no idea why. Like, what is going on? First I thought it was allergy, like a sinus headache, because I have really bad allergies. I don't know. Could be. Could still be. Alright, so I'm gonna just keep smoking this out until I get the color I want. I might even take a darker orange just to give it more definition, which I think I'm about to do right here. Didn't do anything. Yeah, a little bit. Okay, I'm also gonna take that darker orange and put it in here a little. Just literally a little, like, that's it. I'm not doing more because I don't want to take away from the orange that we initially put. Yep. All right, so next up is mascara. Just gonna put a little mascara on top and bottom. Well, actually, I usually wait for the last minute to do my bottom mascara so that I don't transfer the mascara on my eyes. I'm gonna use some Moon Dust. This is from Urban Decay. It's Moon Dust, and this shade is called Space Cowboy. And I'm just gonna put that right on top of what we got going on right here, just to give it some shine and glitter. So pretty. My lashes hanging off. Alright, what is this, a bad makeup day for me? I'm gonna use Chestnut Lip Liner. For lipstick, I'm gonna use the KKW, which I don't think she sells anymore, but this is number 2.5, the lipstick. All right, so that is it for the lips. I was gonna do gloss on top, but I kind of like it the way it is, just like that. Like, I'm trying to get myself from not putting on gloss because I'm so used to putting on gloss. I want to do matte for the fall. I think matte for the fall is so grown and sexy. So we're gonna keep it matte on the lips. Nothing glossy. I'm just gonna spray my face right now. I'm gonna use my One Size. This is On Till Dawn, and I'm also gonna use my Makeup Revolution spray, which I can't find right now. Oh, I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution. This is the Super Fix Super Hold spray. So I think I'm gonna use this one first. I want to put a little brown eyeliner in my waterline just to give it a little pop. I like how it looks. 4. Oh, it's too late. Gotta do it now. I just added something a little different. I'll drag it down a little bit. And like smudge it out. That's my brush. Alright, and this is how the look turned out. Of course I'm gonna say I love it. I don't know if I love the bottom with the brown in the waterline. Let me know down below if you like the brown in the waterline, because I could have, if I knew I was gonna do that in the beginning, I literally would have did a smoky brown at the top, and I was thinking about it, but that's probably what led me to put the brown in the bottom. Anyway, if you girls love this video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Later.